In this video, I will show you how to add website domain in Cpanel. So let's start the video process. First, you need to log into Cpanel with Cpanel username and password. In Cpanel settings page, you need to enter domain section. In this page, you will find all the website domain added in Cpanel. To add your website domain, click the Create a New Domain button. And in this field, enter your website domain. Add only the domain name. Do not add www or https before the domain name. And come to the bottom and click the Submit button. And done, you can see the website domain has been added in Cpanel. With this, we have come to the end of this video. Please like, comment, and share my video if it was helpful, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get updates.